Welcome back to our series all about creating a beauty influencer website with Wix. We've built the site structure, added your engaging content, and implemented critical professional tools as well. Now it's time to focus on the page that helps site visitors and even potential collaborators to know more about you. That is your About Me page. So let's get started. First, we're going to need an About Me page. You can use the one that already came with your template, or you can add a new one. By the way, you can access your site's pages on the Pages and Menu button on the left. Here, you should see an About page. If it's not exactly what you want it to be, no worries, you can replace it. Go to Pages and Menu once again. Under Site Menu, click on Add Page. Go to the About category, and over here, you should be able to see some templates that you might find interesting. Once you select a template, click on it and click on Add to Page, or you can just simply click on it. It'll automatically be added to your site. And don't ever forget to rename your page as well. So, About. And since you don't really need the previous About page, you can go ahead and delete it. Click on the three-dot button that corresponds to it and select Delete. All right, now we're going to work on our About Me page. Let's switch back to that page. And here we are. To easily edit the content of your About Me page, you can work on them section by section. So click on the first section to work on it, and then click on this pencil button. This is also called the Quick Edit tool. It'll open a panel on the right where you can easily edit its contents. So here you can change your section background, which is what I'm going to do. I'd like to change it to a simple white. This is also where you can add a strip background. Go ahead and select any color you like as long as it matches your theme. As for me, I like to experiment, so that's what I'm going to do. Also, don't forget to change your image. I'm going to use this one. By the way, these are just images I got from Pixabay for demonstration purposes only. Don't forget to add your title as well as your paragraph. By the way, if the template you selected comes with a social bar, you can click on Set Links over here, choose an icon to work on first, click this button, and input your page's URL on that specific social media platform. Make sure it opens in a new window for your site visitors' convenience, and then click on Done. Repeat the same process until you finish inputting all of your links to all of the social media icons here. And in case you want to delete an icon you don't need, hover over it and hit delete. And if you'd like to add a new one, click on Add Icons over here. Click on Done once you're done. All right, we finished doing the first section. Now let's do the second section. Click on the second section and work on it just like what we did on the first section. And then let's work on the third section. By the way, if there are contact details involved, make sure that they are accurate, no mistakes. There should be no error for mistakes here because mistakes could cost you great opportunities. So make sure to double check your info, especially if it's related to your contact information. And once you're done, you can close this window now and review your content. Make sure that there are no mistakes. And once everything looks good, click on Save to save your changes. And there you have it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.